it is not fair because for how many years there are so many initiatives, not only the government, national government, but also social civic organizations na nagpa-fight talaga to diminish or to change talaga the narrative that Mindanao is the hotspot for extremist or terrorist groups. Even though hindi naman directly naka-influence yung Davao sa nangyari, which is yung shooter nag-stay pa dito ng 1 month, parang it gives like an impression na na-generalize agad, na stereotype agad, which is yun yung parang for how many years nilalabanan or parang chini-change ng mga taga Mindanao on a wider perspective.
Mag-ingat tayo tapos dapat i-report yung mga ganyang turista na may kahina-hilala ba para dapat sana aksyonan ng mga pulis at mahanap din sila kasi kalaunan para hindi gumawa ng krimen dito sa Davao.